Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we have the equation x over x minus 3 is equal to 2x divided by 2. And we're asked to find all possible values of x that satisfy the equation above. So if we're looking for solutions, we have these two fractions that are equal to each other. The easiest way to go about this is to cross multiply. So we have x times 2, multiply those, are equal to 2x times x minus 3. And now we can just solve for x. X times 2 is 2x is equal to, distributing here, 2x times x is 2x squared, minus 3 times 2x is minus 6x. And if we bring this 2x over by subtracting 2x from both sides, we get 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 8x. Rewriting this up here, after we divide everything by 2, we have 0 divided by 2 is 0, and this is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1 x squared, minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4x. Now, if we want to solve for x, we can pull out an x out of both of these, and we're left with x minus 4, right? If you pull out an x out of x squared, you're left with x. If you pull out an x out of negative 4x, you're left with negative 4. And for this times this to be equal to 0, one of them has to be equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is already solved. And here we just have to solve by adding 4 to both sides. If these cancel, we get x is equal to 0 plus 4, x is equal to 4. So which of the following represents all possible values of x that satisfy the equation? 0 and 4. B is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.